Kwikset presents how to set or reset the code on your lockbox. This process is applicable to models 90260-601 and 90260-602. To open your lockbox using the factory setting, set the dials to 0000, which is the default code. Press the release button or slide the latch to open the cover. Locate the reset lever inside the box. Move the lever to the reset position, labeled B. Turn the dials to your desired 4-digit combination. Then return the reset lever to its original position, labeled A. Scramble the dials and close the cover to secure your new code. The reset operation is now complete. You can repeat this process anytime you want to change your combination. Kwikset, security made convenient.